Hello friend, this is 300-liter perfume making machine. Now let me teach you how to use this machine. When you get this machine, you need to connect with this wire. You check here, this 3 green wire you need to connect with your battery power, and this blue wire you need to connect with your neutral wire. And here's a compressor group for cooling down your material. And here is a plate you need to connect with your air compressor. This is main tank for mixing and cooling. For this tank, we equipped with a famous brand by MVP mixing model, which is explosion. And you can use this switch to speed up or change your mixing speed. And let's check the inside this side. This is a mixing paddle and with condensate coil for cooling down. And here is a discharge valve. If you want to clean your tank, you can let the drink water out from this pipe. And this is a diaphragm pump for circulate your material and let the material go through this 2-stage filter and this spring filter. And for this 2-stage filter, we equipped with a filter inside like that. And if you want to change another new filter, you can turn on this switch to that is up to take the dirty filter out and put a new inside. And this spring filter we equipped with a paper like that. If you want to change the filter inside, you can turn on this frame from here, like here, turn this way, turn the right way, and open this frame to let the dirty paper out and put a new one inside, and turn close from this side. Okay. For this vial, you need to make sure if you want to let the drink water out, you need to turn on this valve and turn on this valve, and then the drink water will come through from here. And if you want to circulate only, you need to turn on this valve and turn on this valve, then turn on the diaphragm pump switch, then the water will come through here and then go back into the tank from this pipe. And if you want to let the material go throughout from this 2-stage and this frame stage, if you want to let your material go through this 2-stage filter and this frame filter, you need to turn on this valve and turn close this valve, and then turn on this valve. This is discharge valve, you need to turn off. And here you need to turn on this valve like that. And then the material will go through here and then come into this pump, come into this 2-stage filter, and then come into this spring filter from here, and then come out from here, go back to the main tank from here. Okay. And this is a control panel. You can check On the left side, we equip with two belts to show the high pressure and low pressure of the compressor. And here has some switch for power switch, compressor switch, diaphragm pump switch, and missing switch. You can check here equipped with two buttons for red and yellow button. That means when this belt shows the high pressure of the compressor, this high pressure alert will turn on. Otherwise, if the compressor at the low pressure, this compressor low pressure alert will turn on. Okay, and here is a temperature display. You can change the temperature, or you can set the temperature you need to cooling down from this panel. And this is emergency stop. Okay, now turn on the power switch, and then turn on this power switch also. Let's check the missing switch, the missing function. Turn on this missing switch. You can check the missing is open, and you can use this switch to change the speed. Turn on the right side, the speed will become faster. Okay. Now turn off and show the circulation function only. Firstly, you need to turn on this valve and turn on this valve. Turn on the pump switch. This is only circulation, and if you want to let the material come through this filter, firstly you need to turn off this pump and then turn off this valve. Turn on this valve. Turn off and turn on this valve. Okay. Turn on this pump switch. Then the material will come through here. Will come from here, this pump and this two filter, and then go back to your inside. Okay, here is a compressor switch. Firstly, you need to set the temperature you need from here. For example, you need to cooling down to 10 degrees. You can set here. If you want to cooling down into 9 degrees or 11 degrees, it's up to your material. Okay, now set the 10 degree for reference, and then you can turn on this compressor switch. Here have some delayed time of this compressor. Turn on this switch for cooling your material. Okay, turn off. That's it.